In this video, you'll learn how to import bookmarks into the Perplexity Comet browser. By following these steps, you will be able to easily transfer your bookmarks from another browser or file into your current browsing environment. Begin by launching the Perplexity Comet browser on your device. Once the browser opens, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see an icon that looks like an arrow pointing downwards. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking the arrow, a list of options will appear. From this list, locate and click on the option labeled Bookmarks. This action will take you to the Bookmarks management section of the browser. In the Bookmark section, you will find an option that says Import from another browser. Click on this option to initiate the import process. This will allow you to select where your bookmarks are currently stored. Next, a new window will prompt you to select the source of the bookmarks. You can choose to import bookmarks from another installed browser or from a saved file. Make your selection based on where your bookmarks are located. After selecting the appropriate browser or file, click the Import button to proceed. Once you click Import, the browser will begin the process of transferring your bookmarks. Depending on the number of bookmarks and your system's performance, this may take a moment. You may see a progress indicator during this time showing the status of the import. After the import process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the bookmarks have been successfully imported. Take a moment to review your bookmarks to ensure everything is in place. If you imported from a file, check that the file was compatible and that all bookmarks appear as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.